Okay, all of my beautiful people, let's look at perfection. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. See the rice and the beans and all of that good stuff that's in there? Look at that. Look at that. That's soup. And look how it turned from the tomatoes and the sauce that was already in there. I didn't add anything else in here that you did not see but water. Now, look at this. The cornbread. This cornbread freshly out the oven. Slather it with butter. Now tell me, add to your pot. Throw a different type of bread with it. Now with the chicken, we had rolls, homemade rolls. Fresh bread made at home during this epidemic. This corona epidemic that the people keep screaming about. And you're having a week's worth of food in your house. That pot started out with spaghetti and meatballs, turned over to chicken and Spanish rice, turned over into a soup, making your own bread. Let me plate this so you can see what I'm talking about. Get some of these carrots. A little piece of that chicken. You see that, y'all? Now, this is a normal bowl of soup. Now, you're going to go and get that healthy person that like to eat. You get him 2 more spoons of this. Hey, how about you? Look at him. And then look how much food you got left right there. How many bowls of soup can you get out of this pot? And this is Val. This is how you do it. Cornbread on the side. Add to your pot. That's the name of this. And I see all you beautiful, beautiful people on the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that everything button. Share it with somebody that needs to know how to stretch a budget. Now, if you would have started out with those 2 cans and a meat, those 2 cans will be gone. We did 3 cans and look what we got. Enough food for several days. And this is Val. This is how you do it. I see all you beautiful, beautiful people on the next video. Bye-bye now.